Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the WebRTC. This one. Just give me a second here. WebRTC API for real-time communication. Today we'll be discussing about the JavaScript in IoT, Node.js and the Raspberry Pi. So I don't have the Raspberry Pi with me, or neither I have the hardware with me. So we'll just see a simple example. You can just ignore if this one if you don't want to know about this one software in the hardware with means how can we make use of the JavaScript and IoT basically. So I'll just be showing how can we make use of the JavaScript or the Node.js within the Raspberry Pi, right? So I don't have the hardware with me to show this one controls, right? So quickly I'll just show you how to make use of the JavaScript or the Node.js within Raspberry Pi. So JavaScript via Node.js integrates with the hardware platforms like Raspberry Pi for the IoT applications such as sensor readings and GPIO controls, right? Again, I'm telling JavaScript via Node.js integrates with hardware platforms like Raspberry Pi for IoT applications such as sensor readings and GPIO controls. So quickly I'll just come here. Let's see the example blinking an LED, right? Uh, Quickly I'll just come here. We can just give here GPIO equals require of, here I can just give here on off, right? So you can just YouTube this one. People have shown the actually basically the example. I mean not the example basically. Yeah, on and off or nothing but blinking an LED. You can just YouTube this one. You got to see in the real time, right? So I'll just give here a require and a require of on off dot GPIO. So let LED equals new. I have made use of the GPIO, right? Just give here 17 comma out. So let's make use of the timer function. I'll just go with the set interval here. So here LED I have made use of LED dot write sync is a function. Let me give LED dot uh let me make use of read sync 1. This is fine. Let's pass the 1000 milliseconds here. So the output that we need to get here is LED LED toggles on and off every 1 second. We have given here, right? 1000 milliseconds. So the output that we need to get here is LED toggles on and off every second. Again, I'm telling this is just I just want to show you how to make use of the JavaScript in this one IoT within Raspberry Pi, right? So you can just YouTube this one. You can see the output. The people have shown you the output as well. So toggling the LED on and off. You can see it in the real time. So I'll quickly explain what I've done here. So the GPIO, what I have made use of here, this one basically, this controls the GPIO pin connected to the LED. So again, I'm telling this one GPIO, this controls the GPIO pin connected to the LED and toggles the LED state every second. So we have made use of the set interval timer and we have set this one to the 1000 milliseconds, right? That is the reason it toggles the LED state every second. So I hope the concept of JavaScript in IoT, this is completely clear, right? So next we will be discussing about the advanced SVG manipulations with JavaScript. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.